Welcome back, Matt from Vanimal. Today I'm really excited. This feels like a lifetime coming, but I want to introduce you to the all-new Ford Transit Custom Predator body kit for the new Transit Custom 2023 model. Yeah, really excited to actually show you what we've done here. So, first things first. I mean, we can see from that shot, I mean, I'm a bit biased, but I just think it looks so cool, so aggressive. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk you around exactly what we've done. Now, as many of you are aware, we did the Predator body kit for the old Transit Custom. And what we've done from that is we've sort of learned what worked, what didn't work. And a little bit of feedback from customers is what they wanted to see in a body kit is something that looks like it's just rolled off the production line. So we took that on board, and this is what we've created. Now, these vans are now on the road. Some of you may be familiar with them, but there's a few lines on this van that sort of really make it easy, sort of, to be able to incorporate a styling kit and a body kit into them lines and into them panels. So the first things first, when we did the old van, we had a full wraparound valance with a bit of a shoulder line that you could see. So on the old van, this front valance sort of sat like up at this level and round here. But what we've done from this natural line on this van is we've taken that element and that aggressive styling and sort of incorporated it into this bumper section down here. So you've got these really aggressive wings on the side. You've got a OE quality two-tone paint in there, fully matched. We've incorporated in regards to the sensors. There's no drilling. It's really easy to fit, and it looks like that has rolled off the production line. Now, when we first looked at this van, there is an air vent, but it's quite small. So what we decided to do is we thought that Ford had done a great job and made that look very, very cool, but we wanted to make that more aggressive and bigger and sort of like stand out. So this separate pod that goes onto here follows through into that vent in there, but we've just accentuated, we've made it bigger, we've made it bolder, and we just think it really adds to the lines, adds to that front bumper, and works really well and incorporates on here. So basically, to keep it nice and simple, what you've got is you've got this section down here that fully wraps around, and then you've got these two separate pods on here. Again, two-tone, colour-coded, magnetic grey and a gloss black, and then just works with all the other accessories on there. So just above this valance, as you can see, if you've already got this van, you'll realise we have got a new front grille on here. So one of the nicest things last time on the outgoing van is people loved that black look. So we've incorporated it into the lower valance, into the pods, but we've also done a grille for this as well. So nice, cool honeycomb design, really wide openings on there. It's got a real road presence, and we've also tinted the front badge just for effect. But obviously with this grille, direct replacement. We've just taken the original Ford badge out, tinted it and put that back in. But obviously if you were to receive that and put it on your van with the kit, basically pop the badge out, put it back in, screw it back in from the back, and you will have your standard blue oval on there as well. Right, let's move around to the side. So I've mentioned when we were talking about the front, the biggest thing that we wanted to try and achieve on this van was making it look stock, making it look like it's just put off the production line. So what we've tried to do in the design is incorporate everything so it flows nice and makes it look good. So what we've got onto this, I've just talked to you about this extra wing here. So we like the design of it, we like that shoulder to give it that look, but that also gave us an opportunity to make these arches seamless and flow in. One of the key changes from last time as well is we've incorporated this rubber seal into there as well. So with that rubber seal, not only does it look like it's finished properly and finished really nicely, it gives you some protection against there about the adhesion and things onto the back. The thing also to mention about the arches and about the fitting of this is no drilling involved. So it's a full custom bracketry kit that works with the existing underpinnings of the vehicle. The arches all bonded with 3M tape, the same as all the rest of the accessories, including these as well. you can use your existing fixings. So into the arch liner is a pre-existing fixings, so no drilling, and it looks like it's supposed to be there. Not only do they flow through into the front and incorporate into that front valance, they also do the same into the side skirts. So full colour-coded OE quality paint onto the side skirts. Nice bracketry kit underneath that goes into some existing underpinnings of the van, and some 3M tape onto there as well. Now it's just probably a good opportunity to say the differences we've got in these models. You know that Ford have lots of different variants. So basically what we've got and the differences between this van, we'll get round to the back and the differences there shortly. But on the side, what we've got is, so we've got L1 and L2, so short wheelbase, long wheelbase, side skirts, so that's a variance. But while we're talking about the arches, we do know obviously that Ford have the double cab vans. They also do a panel van with twin doors as well. So we have got the arch kit that incorporates the double door at the side, because it does change and puts a split in, obviously where the door is. So all you need to do with the different variants of the vans is when you're going to order this kit, is tell one of our sales guys, it will be an option as well on the website, is that there's four key things that all you need to do. You need to pick your colour, you need to tell us whether it's got a single door on the side or it's a double cab van. You also need to tell us that in regards to the rear door, whether it's a barn door or a lift up. We'll get round to the back and show you the differences there with the spoiler. And yeah, obviously you need to tell us whether it's L1 or L2. The next little addition to the kit, doesn't come as standard, but it is an optional extra, is our Predator light pod. Now we've designed one of these for the Ford Ranger models, the Amarok, and we've pretty much got them all going back over the last 10 years now for a roof pod. And we tried it on the last van with a light bar, and we just thought it doesn't look standard. It doesn't look like it's supposed to be there. So we've been successful with the product on pickups, and we've incorporated that into our new Predator Transit body kit. Now the one that we've got shown here is actually in magnetic grey and colour coded. We've tried a few different options, but what we are going to do is change that to a black gloss. So basically, as standard, it's going to come in a black gloss. Now, as we used on the pickup models, there's only one light of choice that what we've picked. So we have picked the Laser Linear 6. So you've got 4 of them on there. But not only have we picked the Linear 6, we've picked the Elite model. So there's a huge difference in power output of the models. So basically, in the non-Elite, so just the standard version, the ones that we don't use, is 2,250 lumens per light, equaling 9,000 lumens. But basically what we've decided to do is go for that Elite version, just to give you that extra power output. So 4,050 lumens per light, 16,200 lumens. Put it this way, if anyone's dazzling you at night and you want to retaliate, that is the way to do it. It is unbelievable in regards to the power output of them lights. It's been custom made to the van as well, so it fully follows that profile of that roof, and actually looks like it's supposed to be there. So the only thing that we really haven't talked about on this front end of the van is the wheels and tyres. Now, you'll have probably watched a few of my videos, talked around pickup, talked about the van last time, but this is the Predator Iconic, and when we thought what wheel are we going to do for this van, there was only one choice for me. It's a classic design. I think it looks great on the van. It works well with that multi-sport design. We've only got this available in 18-inch, and the reason for that is basically we've had some feedback from you guys, and you use these vans day in, day out, whether it be from just normal runs, building sites, wherever. And them 20-inch wheels with them low-profile tyres, just they look great, don't me wrong, they fill that arch like to its maximum. But for general day-to-day use, the 18-inch with a higher sidewall, a bit more forgiving on them tyres, just is what we've gone for. So yeah, so we've got the 18-inch Predator Iconic in black on there, and then we've got a load-rated tyre on there to give you that extra comfort for road use. The front on the outgoing model, I just thought every time I looked at it, I just thought wow, but the back of this looks special in my opinion. So yeah, again, like I've done on the front, I'm going to talk you around each individual element and the differences. So the van lends itself this time, again, like I spoke to you on the front with that shoulder line, the van rear bumper as standard lends itself to a full one-piece rear valance. So again, I know I keep banging on about it, but one of the things we did want to try and achieve is to make it look like it just rolled off the production line. So what we've done is we've created a full one-piece valance that follows and flows all the way around the back of the van and also incorporates into this arch here. So it fully flows into it. You've got some really, really nice shoulder lines, some really nice accents on them. Again, OE quality paint, painted to magnetic grey with the two-tone, and then the chrome exhaust tips as well. So as well, with the other one, there was a little bit of adapting to do in regards to parking sensors. We've learnt our lesson from that, and we've also incorporated all these parking sensor holes as standard into the bumper. So yeah, you've got your 4 parking sensors there, no issues, bang it straight over. Again, fully fitted, full fitting kit in there that incorporates some underpinnings of the van and 3M tape, finished off with this nice rubber seal around here as well. We've even done a cutout to flow around these reflector lights on there, so it couldn't look any more stock. So I mentioned to you before about the differences. The differences, as you all know, as Transit custom owners, 2 options of doors, barn doors and a full lift up. Normally they only come on your double cabs. But the difference is in what we had to do was simply just the spoiler. So again, the spoiler, similar-ish design to what we've done before. We've got these fins underneath, split in the middle for your barn doors, and in one single piece for your lift-up door. When we first saw this van, and we tried to take some design elements from our previous spoiler, we looked at it and thought, well, hang on a minute, Ford have decided to put a brake light up on the roof here. So what we've tried to do is try to incorporate into the design of the spoiler. So as you'll notice, standing a little bit further back and seeing, which you can still see that brake light, we've incorporated a dip down into here so you can still get the full use of that high level brake light. So there it is, there's the back of the van. I just think it looks great. And I suppose some of the key elements to remember and what sets us apart with this van. I know there's lots of other kits out there on the market, but basically what you can do with this van is you can purchase this kit. There's no drilling. You can adhere it to your van, take it to your van. We know a lot of you use lease vans. You can actually take it off. You're going to have no damage, no effect to the other van. So that is a key USP to it. The next thing is where what we see sets us apart is we have stock. But not only do we have stock, you can buy it colour-coded off the shelf. You're not having to get this kit, test fit it, take it to your local painters, have them do it, which in turn does cost a lot of money. I mean, I see a primer kit in this taken to a local body shop and painted, could be thousands to get it painted, whereas we have it sat on the shelf. So nice and easy, it comes to you on one pallet, all set up, in a fully boxed, fully instruction. We've got fitting videos and everything to show you how to install it, and it just couldn't be easier. So there it is. There is the Ford Transit Custom 2023 Predator kit. If you want any more information about it, you want to know about availability, stock, then please just give our guys a call. We'll be only too happy to help. We do offer a fitting service as well. Normal fitting time for us for this would be sort of a day. That helps with it already being pre-painted. So yeah, we're really excited about this product, and yeah, let's see if we can't get it onto one of your vans.